Yo, what's good, YouTube? You know, we're right here getting the car ready for West Coast Gathering. We only got 2 days left, and we're getting the car prepared. Look at the preparation. Woo! Right here, look, this is what we're using right here. This is Poppy's patina, wax and grease remover. So this is where we're gonna prep because we hit it with the sandpaper. Then we're gonna hit it with this, and then after we're done with this, it's Poppy's time. So it's like, so you see this patina right here? So it's gonna make it look like it's like shiny, but like kind of rusted up or whatever you wanna call it. But it's gonna be good, man. Should look good. Should look dope. And we got the rims ready too. We're gonna slide those on soon. Hopefully we should be getting my car by tomorrow morning. Hopefully. I don't know. They called me today saying some things, but some bullshit. But let's see what happens, man. Fuck it. Whatever happens, happens. Yes, sir. We got. Okay. Yep. Something like that. Yeah, fuck it. Yes, sir. See how it comes out? You see how it looks now? Yeah, we'll see in a little bit. See in a little bit.
Mira, después como que tú echaste.
¿Qué hay mucho? What's up, boy? What do you think about this?
Papis.
Poppies. Say how's looking. It's looking wet. Beautiful. Let's see, man. We got done with the first coat. It's looking pretty freaking clean to me. Maybe we might have to retouch the roof though. It's looking kind of dryish, streakish, but other than that, man, it's looking super freaking shiny. Got the stickers too, the Impala stickers you gotta put on. But other than that, man, yeah, this job is super easy. You just gotta tape it up, prep it, and yeah, clean it. Put it on and it's ready to go. What's up, guys? We ran into a little problem. So the wheels that we bought don't fit the car, so we have to use these adapters, which these are Joser's adapter, and he already has to use for his wheels. And I sourced a pair on OfferUp. So let's see what happens, man. Let's see if it works, man. They're 2 inches too, so I don't know how it's gonna, the fitment's gonna be with the car, the specs. I don't know nothing, bro. It's gonna look. I don't know. Let's see what happens, man. We're gonna make it happen. We got Ethan right here. Oh, what up, man? Say what's up to YouTube. We got Dave out here. Yeah, man. Let's see, bro. It's one day. We were on their way. Tomorrow. Today is the meetup. The meetup at night, at like 7 at night with all the Impala people. So, man, let's see what happens. Man. Damn. my car couldn't make it. My car couldn't make it, but hey, next time, bro, everything happens for a reason. It wasn't, we couldn't paint it. I guess the paint, it wasn't dry, a whole bunch of stuff, but I mean, it's cool, it's cool. Let's see how the show is.
96 Impala.
96 Impala. We're gonna swing up around the garbage cans by the little girl in the orange. You're gonna park next to this one right there on the 5 stars right there.
Right over there?
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Okay.
Man, after a long day, you already know we made it. We always coming. Get it in.
Now bring the little subwoofers over here. Alright, so we ain't got nobody lined up for the big subwoofers. I need the wagons with the music in it. Who got the dump in the trunk?